If you don't make am, no evidence say you try your best to. We go explain because no evidence say you try your best if you don't make am for this life.
Hi guys, Wale here, the lead contributor for Wolstreet Finance. In today's video, I'll be showing you a clear-cut, step-by-step process and some certain commandment you have to follow if you want to make your first 1 million in the year 2024. This will be my first video for the year. I've been trying to upgrade the studio, I've been trying to buy camera gears and mic and stuff like that. So I would appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new on this YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's just cut right to the chase.
And you are now about to feel the strength of street knowledge.
So you want to make your first 1 million in year 2024 and you are looking for ways to go about it. I have some mathematically proven commandments you need to follow to achieve this. Number 1 is the commandment of need. By the way guys, there is nothing I am telling you in this video that I will not be doing in 2024. I'm not a motivational speaker. I'm not here to make you feel good. I'm here to tell you that if you follow some certain commandments, you are going to see results. And everything I'll be saying in this video are the things I learned from a man called MJ Demarco in his book titled Fast Lane Millionaire. 394 pages. I've read the book 5 times, and for each time I read the book, I get hit by this wave of epiphany. First commandment of need. To make your first 1 million in year 2024, don't chase after money. See, let me tell you something. People are selfish. All they want is take. People want to take. Nobody wants to give. So you need to sacrifice your own selfishness to fulfill other people's selfish interest. Instead of becoming a consumer like most people are, decide to be the 10% of the people that produce. Let me put it in a more clearer form. Don't chase after money. Chase problems and provide solutions to people's problems. Their money will become an afterthought. In a gold rush, do not join them to dig for gold. Sell shovels. Help people. Sell millions of anything and you become a millionaire. Impact millions, you will become a millionaire. Like I said, this is not a motivational talk. So I'll be giving you the practical steps and 2 hustles you can begin in 2024 that can give you your first 1 million. So relax, I'm here for you. In 2019, Apple became the first company to reach $1 trillion in terms of market capitalization. 4 years later, in 2023, the same Apple became the first company to hit $3 trillion in terms of market capitalization. They've solved billions of problems. But I understand that you are not Jeff Bezos, you are not Mark Zuckerberg. Zuckerberg. Anyways, you get the point. Listen to what people complain about. There would always be a service deficiency. There would always be things people are complaining about. Those are the things you need to provide solutions to. A barber cutting people's hair is providing solution, but he cannot become a millionaire because he has violated one of the 5 commandments I'm going to give you. Moving on, commandment of control. Any business you want to do in year 2024, you must have total and absolute control over your business. Do you know who they call a hitchhiker? A hitchhiker is someone that begs for a lift. It's the person that sits at the passenger seat in a bus. You do not have control over the journey. As the driver, I dictate what happens. I can decide to push you off the cliff and throw you under the bus. Because what? I have control. You see, I don't have any problem with affiliate marketing or multi-level marketing. I don't have any problem. However, why do you have to be the affiliate marketer and not the person owning the product? If I have a product, for example, if I'm selling a book and I need affiliate marketers to promote the books for me, at best, even if you are earning $30,000 per month, be rest assured that I'm any way higher than that. At best, I will give you 10% cut for the sales you brought in. If you are earning $30,000, I'm earning 2.7 million from the sales. Commandment of control. you need to be in control of whatever business you will do in year 2024. Are you with me now? The third commandment, commandment of scale. This is the second most important commandment. This is what differentiates the boys from the men. The business that will give you your first 1 million in year 2024 must be a business that can set itself on steroid. It means you are not limited by demography, you are not limited by age, you are not limited by geography. People in far away New Zealand, can they get access to your products? See, scale. If you are talking about scale, it can either be in magnitude or in reach. You see, there's this guy called Topsy Cuts. He cuts hair for celebrities. I learned that this guy charges minimum of $1,000 to cut hair. He's the one that cuts hair for Wizkid, for Ashake and some other celebrities. $1,000. My barber collects just $1 to cut my hair. How many hair does he have to cut to make $1,000? 1,000. So can you see why Topsy Cuts can potentially be a millionaire? Why my barber will still continue eating his bread and beans? One has achieved magnitude in terms of scale, the other has not. Scale, it's a very powerful commandment. If you are looking to make your first 1 million in 2024, there is another way to achieve scale. If you can't achieve it through magnitude, achieve it in terms of reach. You see, there is this thing called the law of affection. It says that the more people you are able to affect in an environment you control, the more money you make. Are you with me now? Sell 1 million items to different people, you become a millionaire. But how can you achieve that? You have to leverage on the internet. So any business you are doing in 2024, if you want to make your first 1 million, you have to spend money on advertisement. See, there's no point having a product if people don't get to hear about it. A product is only as good as you market it. Let me give you an example. When I started this YouTube channel, the very first video I put out there, I think day 3 it was doing like 300 views. Day 4 it was doing like 600 views. So I told one of my friends that, okay, let's run an ad on this video. I spent $50 on the ad. Day 5, this video moved from about 600 views to 5,000 views within 1 day. Reach. That is how I knew this thing works. And the business I'll be doing in year 2024, I would advertise the hell out of the business. And you should too. People in far away New Zealand, in Monaco, they will order for your products. You need to spend money to make money. The fourth commandment, commandment of time. By the way, if you've made it this far into this video, I want you to smash that like button. Destroy that like button. Share with your friends. Commandment of time. Any business you want to do in year 2024 must be detached from your time. You know, there's this saying they say on the main street that you are yet to make real money if you cannot make money while sleeping. You detach your time from your business. Let me give you an example. I'm selling a digital product, let's say a book, and I've used Google Ad to create an ad around the book, around the product. And there is a place people go to order for the book, perhaps on Amazon. It could be 2 a.m. my local time, and someone in another country with another time zone, perhaps it is 7 a.m. in their own time zone, could wake up and make purchase while I'm here sleeping. That is why you have to detach your time from your business. As a business owner, any business you want to do in year 2024 must be automated. You don't have to be physically present for business to thrive. Are you with me now? Then the fifth commandment is the commandment of entry. You see, the lower the barrier to entry of any hustle you are going to do in year 2024, the more difficult it is to make money. If every Tom, Dick and Harry can do the business you are doing, then you won't make money. If everyone is doing drop shipping, no one is making money through drop shipping. If everyone is trading, no one is making money through trading. If everyone is selling handbags on WhatsApp, no one is making money from selling handbag from WhatsApp, because competition becomes stiffer and it will erode your profit margin. I understand that most businesses are already saturated. So how do you still make money even if the barrier to entry is low? You have to be outstanding. You have to be outstanding and unique. in terms of the value you give out. Any business you want to do in year 2024, make sure that the barrier to entry is high. It will reduce competition. And if by chance you happen to do a business where the barrier to entry is low, be outstanding in it. You can't go wrong doing any business that takes all these 5 commandments. I promise you are going to make your first 1 million in 2024. So earlier, I promised to tell you 2 hustles you can do in 2024 that could fetch you your first 1 million and that takes the 5 commandments. Number 1, sell digital products online. You will be surprised by the things people are paying thousands of dollars to learn online. Okay, let me bust your head. Did you know that the video on how to drink water, H2O, has over 3 million views on YouTube? People are watching videos on how to drink water. 3 million views on YouTube. So you need to find a skill you are good at, you are passionate about. Create a course around it and sell to people. Leverage the 5 commandments. You must advertise. You must spend money on advertisements. People will buy if you are that good, or if people are getting value from what you are selling to them. Let me also give you another shocker. Any skill that does not require physical talent can be learned. You might not be able to learn how to sing or how to play ball. Now, I watched an interview where Messi said no one taught him how to control the ball. At age 4, age 5, he was already controlling the ball naturally. That's physical talent. But if it does not require physical talent, it can be learned. Programming can be learned. Stock trading can be learned. Forex trading can be learned. Digital marketing can be learned. There's this book I read last year, The Richest Man in Babylon. A quote from that book is what you can see here. Where the determination is, the way can be found. If you set your mind to it, you will definitely achieve it. I promise you. And by the way, that book was written in 1926, almost 100 years ago, and people are still buying it till today. Digital products. It's still being sold on Amazon. Number 2, content creation. You see, I get to see people come up with story like, how is it possible for all these Instagram skit makers to buy Mercedes-Benz, to buy houses? It's like they are doing fraud. Oh, it's possible. Who knows? They could be doing fraud, but it is mathematically possible to buy Mercedes-Benz, to build a house, doing content, creating content online. My neighbor is a content creator. He's popular on TikTok. He told me that there's this content creator called Tauma. Tauma charges minimum of 2 million just for her to come to your wedding to show face. She's not even saying anything. Just to come there, you have to pay a minimum of 2 million. And you're wondering how they are making the money. Do you know how much YouTube pay them? Do you know how much they charge when they are signing endorsement or contract? Wake up and smell the early morning coffee. Things are happening. People are making it. So if others are making it, why not you? See guys, I've said a lot and I've said so little in this video. And statistics have shown that people that hear this kind of message, most don't act on it. 95% do not act on it. But for the 5% that are going to take it serious and would start acting on it, see you at the top. And don't forget to inbox me for my 10% cut. It must check these 5 commandments. Need, entry, control, scale, and time. I'll leave you with that, guys. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. Please guys, follow me on my Telegram channel and also follow my Instagram page. Till I come your way again, signing out, your boy the ball hedger. Bye bye.